What is the most disgusting thing you've ever done? I was in the shower earlier tonight and decided to go to town on myself. It's been a while since I had my back door played with, so I decided to spice things up by taking a bar of soap and pressing it into my back door while I was doing my thing. It wasn't a new bar, closer to a sliver of Irish Spring, maybe a half of an inch thick and maybe 4 inches long. Not really the best choice for me, but there was nothing else around and it was a spur of the moment decision. Anyway, it slips into my back door about halfway and then disappears completely, like it got sucked up. I stick my fingers in to check if I can get it back out and can just barely feel it in there. Part of me wanted to just push as hard as I could while squatting in the shower, but I didn't want to accidentally make a mess, so I dried up quickly and go to the toilet. After a good 5 minutes of exertion and feeling some things pass into the bowl, I look in and see no sign of the soap, just 2 regular logs. This is where I started to panic slightly. In a moment of sheer desperation, I picked up some coconut oil and lathered it onto my hands, then decided to check again. Nothing. Goddamn. I'm not really sure what to do now. It doesn't feel like anything is stuck in me, just the fact that it is lodged somewhere up there is really worrying. I'm planning on buying enemas tomorrow to see if it will help, but if passing regular stool didn't push it out, I'm doubting that'll do much, and I don't think it'll just melt away either, since